crocheting this lily top. No pattern, just freestyle. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making something super cute and super simple. I call it the lily top. Why? Because these little tears on the top looks just like lily petals. Soft, flirty and totally adorable. The best part, you don't need a pattern like at all. This is beginner friendly, super customizable, and honestly, the only thing you need is a hook, some yarn and your fabulous self to try it on while you go. Let's start the video by making some chains. Begin with a slip knot. And make a long chain, just enough to go around your neckline depending on the depth you prefer. Don't worry about the stitch count, we are going with the flow here. This top is all about feeling cute and staying comfy. Once you finish your long chain, place it around neckline like I'm doing in this video. If it's too big, reduce the chain. If it's too short, add more. Adjust it based on your preference. And don't forget to count it. Now that your chain is ready, the next step is to make double crochet all the way to the end. Chain 3, yarn over and make a double crochet in the next chain. Yes, you are now in round 2. Place your crochet like I did in the video and find the diagonal line from your armhole, just like in the video. Once you find the spot, count the stitches. For me, it's 16 chains. That's my number, but it might be different for you depending on your body type. Now listen carefully. We have placed our crochet like this and marked diagonally from the armhole. For me, that area has 16 stitches. We need to double that to cover the entire shoulder, front and back. So that's 32 stitches for one shoulder, which we will call point A. The other shoulder is also 32 stitches, which is B. My total chain count is 160. 32 plus 32 is equal to 64 stitches for both shoulder. To find the rest of the stitches, total stitches minus shoulder stitches equals the remaining stitches. Divide the number by 2. One half will be the front, which is C, and the other will be the back, which is point D. That's how we figure out our total chain layout. Now that we have our measurement, we will mark the left and right shoulder on both front and back. Take the number of the stitches in your back section, which is D, divide it into 2 and mark it on your crochet. Then mark B, your left shoulder, and count C, which is front. Mark it and finally mark A, the right shoulder. Lay your crochet flat and join both ends with a slip knot. Start the next round with chain 4 because we are going to alternate between double crochet and triple crochet. Yarn over twice and make a triple crochet, continuing until the first marker. When you reach the marker, make a triple crochet into the stitch. Chain 1 and make another triple crochet in the same stitch. Mark it with a crochet marker and continue with the crochet until the next marker and repeat the same thing. Finish the round and join with a slip knot. For the next round, we will do double crochet. Chain 3 and double crochet until the marker. At the marker, do this. Double crochet into the loop. Chain 1. Double crochet again into the same loop. Then again chain 1 and another double crochet. So 3 double crochet with 2 chains in between. Mark the middle double crochet and continue until the next marker. Now all we have to do is alternate between double and triple crochet for about 8 to 10 more rounds. Yes, I'm tying it on mid crochet. No shame. That's the secret sauce. Try it on, adjust and keep going. It's like a fitting room but with yarn. Wait, did I say that right? Now that we have gotten this far, the next step is to continue the round as usual until the sleeve end. Then chain according to your body measurement, around 9 to 10 stitches. Maybe less for some, maybe more for some. And join it to the other side like I did in this video. You will see how it looks once joined. After finishing the round, you will see the neckline, sleeve opening and body shape. Now all that's left is to keep crocheting until you reach your desired length. After a few more rounds, this is what the top looks like right now. And this much we have done in just one day. Not bad, right? But don't get too comfy, the real magic hasn't happened yet. After completing this much, I also made one size bigger in the ivory color. Now let's switch the color, start the video again. Whatever your last stitch was, double crochet or triple crochet, it doesn't matter. Start with the double crochet. Chain 3. Now look very carefully. Yarn over and you will notice we have two sides in one stitch. We have to double crochet into the back side of the stitch. Watch the video carefully and follow what I am doing. You can see the process again. Watch closely how I am doing it in this video. Now that you know how to do it, continue till the end of the round and finish it with a slip stitch. Next round, start with chain 4 and do triple crochet as before. Continue all the way around and finish with the slip stitch. Next round again, just like before, chain 3. Yarn over and double crochet into the back side of the stitch. Watch carefully and complete 2 rounds as shown. Now we have 2 rounds done in the back loop. You can see the lines. I'm only halfway through crocheting this, but I'm already wearing it. That's the charm. Since there is no pattern, you can just wear it and see if the length feels right. Next round, we will increase in every stitch. Chain 4, yarn over and triple crochet in the same loop. In every stitch, make 2 triple crochet. You can see in this video how it looks. Continue till the end and finish with the slip stitch. Final step for this section, repeat the same. In each stitch, do 2 triple crochet just like before. Continue all the way and finish with a slip stitch. Now our base is ready. I am trying it on. You can already see the shape and design for me. It's not finished yet, so let's continue and finish it quickly. For the next step, you can see lines here where we will add tears. Fold the bodies along the line and watch carefully how I added the extra yarn. Insert the hook into the bodies like I'm showing. Then pull the extra yarn to make a loop. Form that loop, chain 4. Now we're ready to crochet. Yarn over and triple crochet just like I'm doing. We will increase in every single stitch like we did earlier. You can see the tear formation. And like this way, complete the round with triple crochet to the end. Next round, again increase in every stitch with triple crochet. Chain 4, yarn over and make 2 triple crochet in each stitch. Complete the round and finish it with a slip stitch. Now for the last tear. Fold the bodies along the line again, insert the yarn and increase with triple crochet in every single stitch. This time we will do only one round. I am trying it on again like I said previously. This top doesn't follow a pattern, so keep checking your fit by trying it on several times. Now all that's left is to flare the sleeve, but of course this part is optional. We have our tears ready. Now for the sleeve, let's mark it first. First mark the starting point of the body. Next at the 3rd stitch. Then the 6th number stitch. And finally on the 9th stitch. Repeat the same marking on the other side. Now we will insert the yarn at the starting point of the body. First, we will do 3 single crochet. Then 6 half double crochet with increase. This means 2 half double crochet in each stitch. Total 12 stitch. Next 9 double crochet with increases. Then from this point to the next marking, we will do triple crochet with increases. With continuing the pattern on the other side, once you are done, you will see how the sleeve is forming. This is one round. I'm stopping here, but if you want to do another round like I did on the other sleeve, just follow the same process shown in the video. Now our sleeve is ready. The whole top is ready, but it looks a bit plain. So let's add some color. This is the end of the first tier. We will join another yarn color at this point. Now for the next part, chain 3. Then slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat chain 3 and slip stitch in the next stitch. Do this on every edge or every corner where you would like to add a different color. And here's the finished look. I also added some bows, but unfortunately I forgot to record that part. This one is the lilac version. I also made a matching skirt in just 10 minutes. Can you imagine it? Such a complete look. Next is the ivory version. I already had a black skirt, so I paired it with that. Lovely, right? Comment below which color combination you like the most and why. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and go grab your yarn, start crocheting, because this stuff isn't gonna make it itself. We will meet again in the next one. Until then, take care and bye bye.